Back here with a look at Singularity Net. Boy, oh boy, this thing has just been crushing it. Unbelievable. All right, if we go the whole way back here to February of last year, we put a fib on this thing. We were peaking right up through the 786. All right, right currently, right now, we have pulled back down right around 52 cents. Let's take a look here. Yeah, 52,240. We had a high of 58 cents today. All right, it could be back testing this 702 area as a support now. But boy, oh boy, this thing is looking great. We're gonna look at some price targets here for this thing here in just a second, and show you where it could be going. First off, I want to give a shout out to the Discord members. We absolutely killed it on that Caspa long yesterday. I seen a couple people with 4,000 profit, a few with a couple thousand. Hundreds and lots of $300, $400, $500 gainers. Guys, if we use leverage over there. If you're interested, I have a level 3 membership you can sign up for $14.99. Gives you 9 hours of videos just like this to teach you how to draw fibs, support and resistance, how to look for price targets, everything. 20 plus videos over there. Plus, get you into our Discord so you can get in on some of these trades. All right, you can make, not financial advice, but you can make your $15 back very fast. It was amazing. I'm so proud of everybody over there. We've had, I think, 6 winning trades in a row over there. Everybody's crushing it, so that's what I want to see. The whole goal is for people to make money over there. That's what I want to see, and that's what's been happening, so that's great to see. All right, now let's take a look at a few things here. First off, the crypto bubbles. Here's on the last hour. Okay, Bitcoin's kind of wedging up here, kind of looking like it might want to lose that wedge. All right, here's on the day. You can see here, let's look at Agix, see where it's at here. Number 114. All right, look at the volume, 256 million. Wow. Market cap, 656 million. Almost half of that in volume. That's crazy. Up 9 spots to number 114 now. If we take a look at the open interest over here and the liquidations right up the very top, 24-hour liquidations, 146.9 million. That's up about 40% from yesterday. Open interest, look at this, 51.1 billion. That's up almost 3% from yesterday. And 24-hour volume for the crypto market is up 36.25% at $121.3 billion. We have 50.32% long in the market and 49.68% short. And what is going on over here? If we take a quick look at Bitcoin, all right, if we zoom in on here, let's go in on a half-hour chart. Let me show you here. We got a wedge forming up here. Oops, let's get that off there. All right, got a wedge forming up. This thing's either going to break up or break down here. You can see here the measured move for this thing. If it breaks up or down, down is right around 50,000 bucks. Okay, let's get a measurement here. All right, if it breaks down, you're right around that 50,000 that I've been talking about for a very long time. All right, which would tie right in here. If you take a Fibonacci, take it from the swing low to the swing high. Look at that, right to the 618. Okay, so I've been talking about that for a while. Is it going to break down? I have no idea. All right, it's looking a little weak. It's getting down there. If it breaks to the upside, you're looking right about 54,000 bucks. All right, I'm kind of leaning towards the downside. We have some trades over there in Discord. I think I'm going to throw this one over there because this would be a nice short or possibly a long, depending on what Bitcoin does here. All right, so I'll get that out to Discord here real soon. But we have a couple other trades we're looking at in there that might be a little bit better. All right, but congratulations, everybody. Absolutely crushed that Caspa trade. Love seeing that. Seen some people with some really, really big gains. Take some normal folks going to work, 7 to 3 or whatever they do, a couple weeks to make that money, and you made that money in one night, so congratulations. All right, now if we take a look here at Singularity Net, the daily RSI is getting right near the top, 98.2 and then 98.8. Actually flipped bearish here. All right, on the weekly, we're still heading up, and on a monthly, we're still heading up at a 59 and a 52. So we're still bullish on the weekly and monthly. The daily is bearish. The 12-hour, oh good, that's good to see. All right, the 12-hour is bearish, coming down at an 80 and an 85. Your 8-hour is at a 78 and an 80. It's also bearish. And your 4-hour, let me see here. We got some bearish divergence here. All right, let's get this up here so you can see it. We have this high in price, which is right here on the RSI. We have a higher high in price, and we have a lower high on the RSI. All right, that's what we call bearish divergence. Right up here, you can see this high, and we had a higher high in price and a lower high on the RSI. All right, we're below the moving average here, you know, which might suggest a pullback. All right, you can see on here, you can see 5 waves up. All right, usually the market moves in waves of 5, waves of 3, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you could possibly be looking at an ABC coming in. What would that look like? Well, I'm going to show you something to pay real close attention to. All right, it looks like we have gained support here. All right, if this is an A wave down, all right, watch for a break of this resistance here, which is going to push the price up. But you want to keep a very close eye on this price level right here. All right, let me pull this down exactly where it needs to be. Right about there. And that needs to be right about there. All right, right when it gets in this price area. And I'm sure it will bounce back up here. Okay, but once it gets to this area, watch for a rejection or breakthrough. Okay, right from roughly 56 cents, 56 to 56 and a half cents. All right, if this thing comes down, comes back up, I mean, all right, if this does this, if this is your A wave, if it comes up here to the 618, maybe the 702, more than likely the 618, it's probably going to get rejected. All right, and where would that put us as far as a pullback? That would pull us down. You would have a pull down right down to here, 49 cents. Right at 49, roughly 49.6, 49.7, and that would complete an ABC if we get rejected at that level. Okay, now if it breaks through that level, the targeted price for it after that would be 62.624. All right. That would be the next target up. So this price area right there is going to be a very, very key area to keep an eye on. And the only reason I think that we might be doing that ABC, like I said, the 8 hours bearish, your 12-hour is bearish, and you're pretty overextended on the daily at a 98.2 and a 98.8. So that is more than likely leading. And you see the 1 hours at the bottom. That would be for a push back up here. Okay, by the time that hourly gets to the top, it's probably going to be right in this price area and roll over. So we're going to leave this on here for the next video, see how this plays out. Now this here, once again, here's a freebie. All right, if it gets rejected here at the 618, and it's not financial advice, you do what you want. Do your own research, guys. Do your own thing. Don't follow me, right? If it gets rejected at the 618, you might want to take a short here. Okay, and that short, that target would be down at, right down here, 49.7. All right, you could take a short from here down. That would roughly be, if it gets rejected there, all right, you'd be looking 10% move. If you're using 10x leverage, that's 110%. So if you have $500 on that, on this, you'd make 510 back. You'd double your money. All right, just a little freebie here. All right, over in Discord, we have trades like this every single day. All right, we've been killing it. All right, we have a few over there now. So go spend the $15 and sign up. You won't regret it. All right. Thanks a lot, guys. Please hit the like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon.